When you walk into a health food store and pick up a bottle of high-quality multivitamins or CBD oil, what are you actually paying for? Is it the ingredients, the research? Or is it the 5 layers of middlemen, the celebrity endorsements, and the expensive retail rent? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the supplement industry's biggest secret, the markup. I'm going to show you how you can get the exact same or better quality for a fraction of the price. Let's look at the numbers. To get a high-end supplement into a retail store, the price usually follows a specific formula. If a product costs $10 to make, the brand marks it up to $30 to sell to a distributor. The distributor marks it up to $45 to sell to the store. Finally, the store marks it up to $70 to sell to you. In the MLM world, it's even worse. They have to add commission volume into the price. That $10 product now costs you $80 or $90 just so the company can pay out 10 levels of distributors. The result? Real value equals $15 and markup hype equals $85. You aren't paying for health, you're paying for a broken business model. This is where Leave Good comes in. They decided to strip away the hype and the markup. By moving to a membership-based model, similar to Costco, they can sell their products at factory direct prices. For example, look at a standard high-quality organic super greens. Most brands sell this for anywhere from $70 to $100. Leave Good members get it for $18. Look at the difference. Competitor, $79 Leave Good, $18 savings, $61. That is a $77 savings on just one product. All products are manufactured in the USA, are third-party lab tested, and carry the highest certifications for purity. You don't have to be a genius to see that saving $60 on a single bottle of vitamins makes the $9. $95 monthly membership pay for itself instantly. Leave Good is proving that you don't have to be rich to stay healthy. You just have to be a smart consumer. Whether you just want to save money on your own health, or you want to help others stop overpaying, the membership is the key. If you're ready to stop the supplement tax and start getting factory direct pricing on the best products on the market, click the link below. You can browse the shop as a guest or see how to become a member today. Your health and your wallet will thank you.